In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to replace the Human Touch Sauna sound PCB. First thing we're going to do is power off the chair and unplug it. Next, we'll use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 3 screws that secure the rear plastic shroud. We can lift that shroud off. Next, we're ready to disconnect all the connectors to the sound PCB. And then we can use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 4 screws that secure the PCB to the tray. We can remove the PCB from the chair. To install the new PCB then, we can place it into position aligning the screw holes and replace the 4 screws to secure it. Make sure to get all the cables out of the way there so they're not pinched by the board. And we're ready to reconnect all the cables. And once all the cables are connected, make sure each one is completely seated. Now we're ready to reinstall the rear plastic shroud. You'll note there's a tab here and a tab here. And on the chair, there's a slot here and a slot here. So those tabs need to go into those slots on both sides. And when it's installed properly, you'll see it comes up nice and tight here. There's no gap. And once it looks like that on both sides, we're ready to reinstall the 3 screws to secure it. Okay, the last step's just to plug the power cord back into the chair. And we're done.